will read about subject and predicate. What is a subject and predicate? Always every sentence have a subject and a predicate. How we will recognize what is a subject and what is a predicate? So again we see as assertive sentence, we can see assertive sentence always start with the subject. So first part of a sentence, okay, or we can say before helping verb is a subject. Like I told you, like Hari goes to school. Example is Hari goes to school. In this goes is a verb. So Hari, we are talking about here Hari. So Hari is the subject and the remaining part is called a predicate. Clear this? So Hari, that is the first part of sentence, and before the verb or helping verb. And in this we are talking about a Hari. So Hari is the subject and the other remaining part is the predicate. It means predicate consists a verb and object both. Like there in an imperative sentence, बच्चे, there we start this with the verb. So as like do not pluck the flowers. Okay, so in this we can see this is a order, and obviously order we are giving to a somebody, and that is obviously you. So in this we can see their subject is you, but it is hidden. So if anybody asks what is the imperative, what is the subject in this, then you can write here you, but this is hidden and you is their subject. Other remaining part, that is called a predicate. Okay, because this is obvious that the order is given to you. Then third is their interrogative. Yes, in interrogative again we have to see what about the sentence, and what about the sentence we get the answer, that is called a subject. Like example is there, where are you going? So in this we can see we are asking about you, where are you going? So in this subject is you and other remaining part is a predicate. Okay, so here we are talking about a you is a subject, other remaining part is a predicate. Same is there exclamatory sentence. In that exclamatory sentence we can also see here is given how kind you are. In this what about we are talking? We are about talking you. How kind you are. So we are talking about you. So it is clear that the subject is there you and the other remaining part is there predicate. Clear this? So बच्चे, this chapter is completed. The chapter was subject, sentences and phrases. In this we read a sentence is a group of words and it makes a complete sense. Okay, it always have a capital letter and always end with the punctuation mark like full stop, question mark and the exclamation sign. Then we use phrases. Phrases is a group of words but it doesn't make a complete sentence. Okay, and then we read types of sentences: assertive, imperative, interrogative and exclamatory. Assertive sentence we use to tell something. Imperative we use to order, request, suggestion. Interrogative we use always for asking something. Exclamatory we use for our expression of feelings. Okay, then we read a subject and predicate. In assertive always the first part of a sentence and what about we are talking is called a subject. Imperative we see that you is and that is always hidden. This is the subject. In interrogative what are we are talking about? You. So you is a subject. In exclamatory how kind you are, we are talking about you, so you is a subject. Thank you.